I have made quite a few CPM2 videos by now, and a lot of things have been seen that are of interest to those who can't wait to play the game, but today I want to gloss over a few important details that I haven't mentioned in my previous videos. The first one being the most impactful. When you are in a multiplayer room, you can now drive to this garage location that is beside the lighthouse at City 1. When you go in here, you can see the cars that you have in your garage. You will then be able to change the car that you want to drive and rejoin the same lobby at the same place and time. This has been a long time feature that OG fans of CPM1 have been requesting. The only issue I have with the multiplayer now is the bad latency that make cars look like they are lagging from a distance. They need to get that fixed as soon as possible. Staying on the topic of your garage, the amount of cars that you can store in this area is 20. I'm not sure what happens if you try to buy more cars after that, as buying car slots will cost 100 coins. Along with that, each upgrade and tuning room in this garage can be explored freely. We even have a PS4 and a pool table upstairs. I might cover some more details in a future video, such as a crash test, and to see what happens when certain parts are exhausted or broken. Let me know what you guys think about the details in this video down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.